In this video, I will show you how to view your watch history on YouTube. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is come across to youtube.com and make sure you're signed into the correct account that you want to view the watch history for. Once you've done that, come over to the menu on the left hand side. You might need to click onto these three lines in the top left hand corner to open up the menu, and if you come to the U section, you're going to see an option for history. Give that a click and that's going to take you directly to your watch history. Now from here, what you can do is scroll through, so you can see my watch history for today, which we can scroll through, and you can see your watch history for different dates. From here, what you can do is delete any of these videos from your watch history by simply clicking onto the three dots next to the one you want to delete and selecting the option to remove from watch history. You can also clear all your watch history from here by clicking this option over here on the right hand side. You can also pause your watch history, and there's also an option to manage all history, which is things like your comments, posts and live chat. So that is how to view watch history on YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.